Take a look inside of a Turkey Hill car wash. This is not coming off. We already know that. That's not coming off. That's definitely not coming off. That is not coming off. Remember, this is the foam. It does not hurt your car. It's not going to hurt nothing. So don't hurt my hand. That's not coming off. Don't hurt nothing. They don't hurt nothing. These won't hurt you either. And you come down here. Here's the rail system right there. It's not coming off either, but here's what drives your car here. That's your Turkey Hill